So Dragon is dead. We've collected up all of the XP, and as long as I don't look at any Endermen, we should now be heading to find, there we are, this way to the next island. So let's head up here. So what we need to be doing is to stand immediately underneath it. So the easiest way of checking that out is stand so that when you are looking fully up and rotating, your crosshair stands in the middle of the cross there. Now the next thing to do is to wait for a few minutes, and we should get this purple beam coming down every maybe every minute or so. So we'll just sit there and make sure that that comes down. We're going to place turtle on that square there. It doesn't actually matter that much, because as long as we're not too far out, the turtle will find where it's supposed to be. So let's put that one in there. So we want to do the next one, which is the on the obsidian whatever, and it's build a portal minecart station, which I've already got the gear in that I need. So let's press 8, and it says place me on the ground under an end world portal, center marked by beacon every couple of minutes, so I'll build a ladder to a platform and minecart entry device. So press enter to continue. 64 stone, 1 powered rail, 2 normal rail, 1 minecart, 1 stone button, and 10 ladder. Now what it does next is it goes up and checks to see where it is. As it happens, we have hit the base of the portal correctly. Let's get out of the way. And it will now build a staircase up. If there's not enough ladders, it will say add 5 ladders. So we can add another 5. There we go. And we haven't got enough stone, so we'll add some more stone. And that's it. So now it's building a staircase up to the top there. So again, I will pause until it's done its job, but what we can do is to go into creative mode just so we can see how it's doing it. So you see the first 2 layers, you've got an entrance way here, goes into the ladders, and now it's building a complete column round. I suppose it's not really necessary to have a full enclosure, because as long as you don't look at the Endermen, they're not going to be causing a problem. So maybe I'll adjust that. But there's so much end stone around that there's not really any problem harvesting it. It's getting near the top now, so we'll watch how it handles it from now on. So it's now going to build a platform which is 7 blocks wide by 5 blocks deep. And it looks slightly off center because of the ladder obviously going down one corner there. Now the reason for the platform is that when you go through this, you end up on some other island, and then when you go through the one that is on that island and you come back, you end up somewhere on this platform. So it's good to have this big enough to catch you when you come back again. I believe that's it. Yes, it is. So it's going to turn around now and place a railway powered rail, minecart and button. That's it. It's done its job. Now I have in my, let me just switch back to survival. In my backpack I've got enough gear to make a second one, so as long as we remember to take the turtle, well, we've got plenty of turtles, but should we see if we break that one. Now this is how this works. Although it's only one block high, you get a minor amount of injury when you go through the minecart and then it dumps us somewhere else. So let's do that. There we go. So we got, oh, that's dead handy. We're right by a thing. So that's our exit, the way to get back, and that is the new place to go and investigate. So that's really handy. Okay, that shows you what we can do here. That's obviously I shall repeat the process I was just doing, and it's fairly near the ground here, so that's even easier to get to. Can even hand build that one. The only thing I haven't yet developed is any special tools to deal with the shulker boxes. They are very difficult to kill with turtles. I'll try, but I have a feeling that it won't work. So if we get it over the top of it, it has. Okay, let's see if we can use the attack thing that we had before. That will be under 4. I think it will probably just teleport out the way before it has a chance to do anything, but if we put it as attack dragon. Okay, we seem to be lucky. We've got some. Oh, wow, that is dead handy. They normally disappear. And we've got a shulker shell. Wow, okay. That's nothing special there. That's just my attack program, which was attacking in all directions. Why it didn't disappear, I have no idea. Maybe we were just lucky. Normally when I've tried this before, they simply teleport. So, nice one. Okay. So I managed to smack another shulker to get 2 shells, and again I used turtle. So the technique seems to be that if you can put the turtle on top and kind of squeeze it between, then there's less likely to escape. But I think that's going to need some experimenting. Now I'm just building another tower to the portal here, but I've deliberately not added any rail. Oops. Rail stuff, so of course it will still try and build the rail station, but there is no rail. Reason for that is I wanted to show you, which you probably already know but I didn't, is that you can get the same effect using a boat. So if we grab a boat and we plonk that down in front, I need to get myself in the right. Actually, it might be easier if I break. That's better because we don't need that. Climb in the boat and just row through. Again, we get the same. Takes a bit of smacking, as you can see. I lost a fair bit of, so it's actually better to do it with the minecart, but I am at least there. Now, interestingly, we've come out the other side. Maybe I press the, and I'm quite sure that when I jump out, I'm going to exit onto, let's see. Oh no, we're all right. We've stood on the boat. We'll just add a bit more platform to Oh, that's better. So this time we've come right through. We've suffered less damage, and I'm not sure that is what happened to the boat, but we're definitely back where we started from. There's the portal. Maybe the boat's downstairs. I think I prefer the minecart for reliability. But, anyway, let's go down. That seems to have disappeared. But anyway, boats are easy to make if you've got some wood with you. So if you don't want to be throwing ender pearls into the thing, you can do it that way. I haven't got the ender pearls anyway. Okay, so that's all I have left to do now, is to finish writing the program to destroy the dragon by extending that bridge up there. So I'll do another video on that once it's complete.